In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your ribbon in Microsoft Word, a really handy feature that allows you to personalize your workspace just the way you like it. First, fire up that Microsoft Word document that you want to work on. You'll want to make sure it's open and ready to go on your computer. Once you have your document up on the screen, we're going to navigate over to the File tab. This is located at the top left-hand corner of your Word application. Clicking on File is your entryway into a host of Word options. Now, after clicking on the File tab, a sidebar should appear on the left with various options. You'll want to look for a menu item called Options. Go ahead and give that button a click. This action will trigger a new window to appear on your screen. It's called the Word Options window. Within this window, you have access to a multitude of settings that can help you tailor Word to better suit your needs. What we're focusing on today is ribbon customization. So the next thing you'll want to do is find the Customize Ribbon button on the left-hand side of this window. Select this to open a new set of options specifically for customizing the ribbon. For those who might not be familiar, the ribbon is that set of toolbars at the top of your Word document, the one with all of the tabs and icons you use while editing text. By customizing it, you can create shortcuts to the commands you use most often, making your workflow much more efficient. In the Customize Ribbon section, you can manage the existing tabs, create new tabs, and even add or remove specific commands in each tab. Simply use the checklist available to check or uncheck items according to your preference. Have you always found yourself diving into menus to find certain tools? Now's your chance to add them right to the ribbon for faster access. You can also create your own tab if you wish. There's an option on the right to do so. Click New Tab and it will be added to the list. You can rename this tab or drag and drop commands into it. This is a great way to group together a set of tools you frequently use under a custom tab. Once you've made all of your changes and the ribbon looks just the way you envisioned, you'll want to hit the OK button to apply your changes. And that's it. You're done with customizing your ribbon in Word. You've now got a personalized toolbar that best suits your workflow, making your time in Word more efficient and enjoyable. And remember, you can always come back to make further changes as your needs evolve over time. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy writing!